Hey friends, if you wish to fix TeamViewer not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So here's what we have to do. Search for TeamViewer in the Windows search bar, and there is no option to open app settings. So try to run as it as an administrator. If it works, well and good. If it doesn't work, then straight away search for TeamViewer once again and click on uninstall Team and then uninstall it completely. Wait till it completely uninstalls from your system. It may need a few minutes. And then search for store in the Windows search bar. Go to the Microsoft Store. Search for TeamViewer and go to TeamViewer Remote and click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.